Hi, everyone. Well, this week didn't go quite as planned.
I was all set to start painting the inside of the caravan, but it turns out I bought the wrong primer. Let's just say, painting walls is very different from painting pictures. I love painting, but I'm learning fast that caravan walls have a few tricks of their own. And since I'm on a small budget, it's a DIY adventure all the way. So for now, I'm taking a little extra time to prep and get it right. Cheeky, of course. Think this is all very funny. He's been supervising as usual. It might be taking longer than expected, but that's okay. This journey isn't about being perfect. It's about learning, laughing, frustrations, and turning this old caravan into a cozy home on wheels.
And even though my plans went a bit sideways this week, I have some very good news. Luna and Kicsi are parents. Hey, your uncle. Yeah.
Only one little chick hatched from the 4 eggs, but it's healthy and chirping away. It's such a lovely reminder that sometimes the best things take their own time, just like this caravan project.
Thank you for being patient with me and following me through the slow process. The painting will happen eventually. Until then, stay kind, stay curious, keep smiling.